Hello and welcome to the Gold and Silver Club Week Ahead Commodity Report, the non-members edition for the 13th to the 17th of November 2017, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. Today we will be analysing the latest developments in the commodity markets and discussing our outlook for the week ahead. The live session will be covering weekly market outlook, the key events to watch, trade watch list, our trade idea of the week, and a review of our recent top trades using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Let me introduce you to the Gold and Silver Club. The Gold and Silver Club is regarded as the go-to authority on commodities trading. As internationally respected experts, our analysis and our opinions on the metals, energy, agriculture and the cryptocurrency markets are routinely sought by major financial television channels and publications which include Bloomberg, Reuters, CNBC, the Financial Times and the Wall Street Journal. Our team of experts has trained and mentored over 100,000 private traders from all over the world to increase their wealth and generate a substantial income through commodities using our exclusive research-driven strategies. For further information on the Gold and Silver Club and our expertise, please do visit www.thegoldandsilverclub.com. Weekly market outlook, the key events to watch this week. The Commerce Department will publish October inflation figures on Wednesday. Market analysts expect consumer price to rise 0.1%, whilst core inflation is forecast to inch up 0.2%. On a yearly base, core CPI is projected to climb 1.7%. Core prices are viewed by the Federal Reserve as a better gauge of longer-term inflationary pressure because they exclude the volatile food and energy categories. The central bank usually tries to aim for a 2% core inflation or less. The Eurozone will publish final inflation figures for October on Thursday. That report is expected to confirm that consumer prices rose 1.4%, remaining well below the European Central Bank's target. The core figure without energy and food prices is forecast to reach a 5-month low of 0.9%, lending support to the ECB's decision to withdraw monetary stimulus only slowly. In addition to the inflation data, the Eurozone will publish a second estimate on third quarter economic growth. European Central Bank Chief Mario Draghi, US Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen and Bank of England head Mark Carney, as well as the Bank of Japan governor, will form an all-star panel on Tuesday at an ECB-hosted conference in Frankfurt. The panel discussion is titled At the Heart of Policy, Challenges and Opportunities of Central Bank Communication. Investors have doubts over the future path of inflation and may be starting to price in a downturn. So with that, we'll move over to the charts and we'll talk you through our trade idea of the week. Trade watch list, our trade idea of the week. Our focus today is going to be on gold, which is currently trading at $1,278 per ounce. On Friday, gold dropped over 1.7%, its biggest one-day percentage fall since October the 26th, weighed down by a rise in US Treasury bond yields and the expectation of an interest rate hike by the Federal Reserve next month, which is continuing here to keep gold under pressure. In fact, Friday's sell-off does leave gold vulnerable this week to a further corrective move lower, especially the failed breakout on Thursday. So if we have a look at gold price structure at the moment, we are very simply continuing to consolidate within a very narrow range. Gold is ricocheting between $1,263 per ounce up to $1,288, and right now we are in the middle of that range. So we're still waiting on a more decisive move here, but right now I would be looking for the potential for gold to drift lower for a move back down to $1,265 per ounce. From a trade idea point of view, whilst we stay within a very tight range here for gold, if we were to see a break back below Friday's low, I would look for a further corrective move lower, taking the price back down to underlying support over the last couple of weeks here, which sits between $1,260 to $1,263 per ounce. So if we were to see a break back below Friday's low, I would look for the potential to retest the monthly lows here. Below that, if gold was to break and close back below $1,260 per ounce here, that is a major level of underlying support for gold, because on a closing basis, gold has continued to retrace above that zone over October and November of each test of support there. So if we were to break and close below that level, that is where we would expect a much more significant breakdown in price, taking us back down to 1,250 and possibly for a visit all the way back down to 1,200 US dollars per ounce if we were to see a break and a close back below 1,260. So that would be on the sell short side. If gold holds support over this week, and there are some channels in place at the moment, and gold continues to get a bid, it really needs to break above 1,288 US dollars per ounce, close above that level, and then we could see further follow through to the upside and a move taking the price back towards 1,300 US dollars per ounce. At the moment, with gold currently trading at 1,278 US dollars per ounce, I would suggest over the course of this week, we are likely to get a resolution here on gold as to whether this is going to provide a great sell short opportunity on a breakdown of last week's lows here, particularly Friday's low, and then a move back towards 1,260 US dollars and possibly lower, or if gold is able to get a bid this week. If we break above last week's highs, break back above 1,290 US dollars per ounce, we could then see a move back towards 1,300 and then potentially a retest of the October swing highs here, taking the price back above 1,300, back towards 1,315 US dollars per ounce. And of course, if you would like to be notified on the exact trades that we will be taking, including our entry, our exit, our trade management on every single position we take at the Gold and Silver Club, make sure you stay on to the end of today's session, and we will provide you with details of how you can make an application and become a member of the Gold and Silver Club. Top trades of the week using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Our top trades over the last week have included Bitcoin, Palladium, crude oil, and also cocoa. So Bitcoin we have shorted after the news of the cancellation of the SegWit 2X hard fork, which provided a fantastic opportunity to get into a sell short, banking 450 points profit. Last week we also capitalized on the weakness of the precious metals into the close on Friday, selling short Palladium, banking 180 points profit. WTI crude oil also provided us with a breakout entry last week, breaching above the 2.5-year highs, banking us 190 points profit. And lastly, cocoa managed to get a bid last week at a major area of support, giving us 160 points profit on our long position. Would you like to join an elite community of profitable traders, get exclusive daily live trade ideas and analysis, accelerate your trading skills, and generate a consistent income? Whether you're a new trader or an experienced trader and you're looking to take your trading to that next level, the Private Members Live Trading Room is definitely for you. Private members get access to the following. You have access to our exclusive live trading room webinars. You can watch the Gold and Silver Club expert traders analyze the markets right in front of you, picking out the best trades, sharing our exact entry, exit, profit and stop loss targets on each position, as well as walk you through every actionable trading idea step by step, ready to implement for instant results. You receive real-time trade alerts delivered via email and SMS, where you get the exact buy and sell alerts along with suggested entry, exit, profit targets. All trade alerts are sent out in advance notice to make sure you have plenty of time to get into each trade at the best price for maximum profits. You also get exclusive access to our proprietary trading research to help you make smarter, well-informed trading decisions. Our unique insights and analysis ensures that you're well equipped with the most accurate technical and fundamental information you need to identify market trends early, predict future price movements, and act on every trading decision with confidence. The Private Members Live Trading Room includes exclusive live trading room webinars with interactive Q&A, daily live actionable trade ideas shared with you ready to implement, real-time trade alerts delivered instantly via email and SMS, exact details of where we enter, where we exit and place a stop loss on each trade, access to our Private Members Live Trading Room forum, ongoing support and mentoring to help you achieve long-term success, and exclusive access to our proprietary trading research and market intelligence to give you the ultimate edge in the markets. To get exclusive access to our Private Members Live Trading Room, please go to www.jointhegoldensilverclub.com, complete the application form, and we will get in touch with you ASAP.